Jamaica Custom. This one is for you. When somebody coming from abroad and they come through Jamaica Custom, why you got to terrorize the people them? If the people them carry new clothes, you charge them for the new clothes that they're going to wear if they're in Jamaica. And this is especially for the Jamaica Custom. People have to put their shoes and rub up in a dirt just to see that the shoes wear already, because if it's new, it's gonna cost them. And the 1,000 US where them supposed to get off of the duty, you take out money out of that just because what they have in their suitcase. If they buy the body splash, you have to tell them the original price. Although they show you the receipt, you still take off $500 off of the duty. And you charge them the money for the original price. Look here, people get things on sale here. When Victoria's Secret have sale, people go buy perfume, body splash, you name it. Bath and body, just the same. If they get the body splash for $4.99, you go online and look it up and I charge them $16, $17 each, the original price. I'll do them show you the receipt. It happened to me. So this is why I can talk. Mr. Prime Minister, come on now. You need to put a searchlight into the TSA. You need to put a searchlight on the custom officer them. This is bad. It make Jamaica look bad. And no matter how you hear and you work hard and carry something, then go to Jamaica, them just bad mind. Them are looking at you something and them are interrogate you like you come America, come thief. That's how the interrogation where them are interrogate you. Them are handle you like they are a prisoner. That's the only description I can tell you about it. It's not right. It's hard and it's tough. When you go a wharf, it's the same thing. You get a duty off the barrel. They don't want to give it to you like it's their money. The duty, they don't want to take it off the paper. If you get duty for 2, them I tell you say this uncle can cover 1 duty of 1 barrel. No man, this is a big problem. This is a big problem. Moreover, in the airport at the custom, them I tell you say, oh, you have YSL perfume in your suitcase and YSL perfume cost X amount of money. You're not supposed to have it. You're not due to it. And moreover, I didn't have an YSL perfume in my suitcase. Them give your name brand just to take off the duty, which you don't even have in your suitcase. Moreover, the lady go to the wharf. You charge the lady a bag of money. I'll do a duty come off it. Oh, she have Balenciaga in her barrel. Poor this lady don't know what is Balenciaga. She have to call asking me what is Balenciaga. I said it's a name brand. You can't buy one of their sneakers because one of their sneakers is 1,000 hard. No man, it's stressing on the poor. And you have family too. What make you no must do it? You not go on too bad now. Too bad. Your new clothes where you put in your suitcase for wear when you're in a Jamaica. It'll cost you double time because you have to pay here for it. And then when you go in a Jamaica, you still have to pay for it. Although you go weary. You can't carry, you're afraid to carry things in your country. Because it's a burden on you. People are interrogating your custom. and dig you up, dig you up, dig you up like you have drugs in your suitcase. You must stop it, man. It don't look good. It's not a good look. And Mr. Prime Minister, you need to do something about them. You need to do something. You can't care nothing for nobody and give us gift. You care something for somebody and give us gift is a problem because you pay for it up here and you pay for it at custom too. Custom, they are not taking the actual money from you, you know. They take it off your allowance. That's why when people going down, they don't declare so they have barrel. Because when you get the yellow piece of paper, a judgment down there. Judgment in our airport. Because at that time, then dig you up when you get the yellow paper. So it don't make no sense. Because sometimes, they don't even give you the duty of it. I see a lot of people with 4 and 5 suitcases, then just go through. You have anything to declare? No. So they just go through. But the moment you have something to declare, a hell and powder house. Then dig you up, then dig you up. This old lady, I was so sorry for her. What she had was to go through. Ask if I don't cuss them. I cuss them. I didn't mince word when it come on to me and them. Because I find it very disturbing what they are doing. Because you're not supposed to treat human like that. You're coming back to your country. And you're afraid everybody here, them tell you their bad experience when they go through custom. When you're coming up to the US custom, it's a little better. I'm telling you. I don't have any problem coming in the US custom. But you see, Jamaica, you don't need to do better. And who know make the country bad? And who know make it bad for people? Poor the little old lady have her little something where she buy pan Shein. You dig up a lady and dig up a lady and charge, take off all the money off her little duty where she's supposed to get off her barrel. Oh, no wicked, sir. You know family. You treat people like people are no human being. You fi stop it. Me a rub out Jamaica Custom. Left, right, and center. And anytime I travel and I have the same problem, me a come back here so come rub on out again. You fi stop do it, man. You fi stop it. You cannot carry anything for anybody because you have to pay double for it. Even if you want to carry something in the country like a music to give somebody, when you go airport, you pay for it up here. And when you go airport, they might charge you again. You have to pay out of your pocket this time for it. It's not right. It is not right. A second hand something, you have to charge $300 for it. It's not fair. You take this thing is past its limit now. I don't know what your manager tell you, and I don't know what your boss told you, but everybody need to go to training. Because when I see them angle people, you come like say you're going to a supermarket, go thief something, or you're going to one store, go thief something, and the police are interrogate you. That's how I view Jamaica Custom. Seriously. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you.